Hi guys, back again with another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about how you can enable or use the OTG in your device OnePlus Nord 2T. So if in this device you want to enable the feature of the OTG or you want to use the option of the OTG in your device, you can do it by the methods I will show you. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can enable and use the OTG option in your device. Let's watch it.